record. Cinnamon challenge number 2.
Oh, my bad. You're not recording yet. I'm not done. I'm going to clean this mess up really quick.
No, you can do that in a minute.
That's a lot. That's very a lot.
Puke, puke, puke.
Down the hatch.
You drunk? Got the seafood song. Keep fucking Riri. Use your tongue. You're supposed to be good at that, aren't you?
I'll put my tongue in your mouth.
Give me a big smile. It's funny.
We're not having crackers, damn it.
No, you didn't
Can we do
puke.
the cracker challenge with graham crackers?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.